I know some people, they would die for me. We run together. They're my family. When I get up, they gon' be high.
Jasmine, follow me here, yo. Jasmine did not say thank you to Papa. Say thank you.
Okay. Daddy, grazie.
Diana, where are you going? Good morning, you guys. This cold, it's freezing. I'm taking Jasmine to school, and Diana is at my back. It's too cold. I don't want to carry the stroller.
Back. It's the back.
Okay,
Back.
correct. Look at the way I tied Jasmine up. I tied her up this morning. It's too cold. Their car seat is not in my car. It's in their father's car. We used it yesterday, and my husband went to work very early this morning. So I couldn't take the car without the car seat. If not, with this kind of cold, I'm not supposed to be carrying these kids inside this cold, but what can I do? What happened? Don't worry, go. Diana is not sleeping, but I tied her hand inside my wrapper. Yesterday was our market, and the place was filled up with people selling, so you cannot use the car to come here. Diana removed her cap from her head because I also backed her to take Jasmine to school. So today I said, I need to put her on this side. Diana! She no wants. I will see you guys right later. You guys, I just got back from the Jasmine school, and the teachers are telling me, some parents, sorry, that today is their, what's it called? Festival. Is it tree festival? Something like that. We attended 2 years ago when Jasmine was born, 3 years ago, the year Jasmine was born, 3 years ago, and they gifted them tree. Or was it 1 year after she was born? I can't really recall. So now they said it's today. It was supposed to be for last week, but it was raining heavily, so they postponed it. But I didn't remember which day they postponed it to be. So I didn't check their WhatsApp group, although I saw messages, but I just said, okay, later we'll go and check. I saw voice notes and messages. I didn't get to check before. I just found out that it's today by 10 a.m. I have somewhere to go today, but I will cancel it. I will come back to their school. They said it's in their school. Before they did it in the square, but they said it's in their school. Today it go long. Anyways, I'm going home. I'm climbing the step. In case you are wondering why I'm panting this hard, we live in a rocky area, guys. So if you are not climbing the mountains, the hills, then you are probably going to climb the steps. So that's why you can see the steps. That's why I'm panting this hard. Anyways, I'm going home. Ask me why I started preparing for Diana's birthday from October. Diana's birthday is in 2 months time, in January, by the way, and we are in end of November. Yeah, November is ending in 1 day time, so we are entering December. But I started getting Diana's birthday stuff earlier than expected, although I don't even know how the party is going to look like, the venue, what we are going to do, if we are going to use our house, the garden hall. I don't have any idea yet, but I started buying things early. My house is filled up of shein, AliExpress, shopping, market. I've bought so much. Tell them. I've bought so much, and this order just arrived. Oh my god. This shein orders, I got a lot of stuff, you guys. I've spent, or rather we have spent almost or over 1,000 euros shopping. I'm not capping, I'm not lying, you guys. My miracle baby is going to be 1 year. I don't even know how I feel. I don't know how I feel. Like, I'm just preparing. My husband is buying, I am buying. My husband is buying, I'm buying. Our miracle baby, you guys already know the story. I don't need to go over and over. You already know the story. If you don't know the story, check my channel. Everything is there, so you are going to see all the miracles and the journey. So my rainbow baby is going to be 1 year soon. I really don't know what and what is inside here. I think this is balloon. I don't want to do unboxing. I don't want you guys to see everything. But let me just show you guys some few things. This cap big, oh. Shein. It's too big. I bought this for Diana. It's pink and I think this is apricot color. For this winter. Let me see. It's good though. It looks beautiful. Look at Diana. Diana, mama. Diana, mama. Diana, mama. It was looking so big, but on her it's okay. It fits perfect. So cute and fluffy. So fluffy. So I got this for winter. I bought this toothbrush for Diana. Let me see if you guys can see it. Let me reduce this light. I got this brush for Diana. Why did you remove the cap now? This girl hardly wear cap. You dey for big cap? I got this brush. What is the name of this brush? Oh, octopus brush for my wigs. You guys, I got a lot of wigs. I think I've showed you guys 1 wig before. That's 13 inches. I got more than that. I don't even want my husband to hear it because my husband said he prefers me on braids. But me, I like wig because I'm too lazy to make my hair. I got some books for Jasmine. We are homeschooling, especially this English language, because my baby girl is finding it difficult to balance English and Italian. She speaks more of Italian, so it bothers me. Because of that, we are homeschooling. I'm trying to teach her the basic English for pronunciation and to make sentences. Anyways, I can't show you guys everything. There are too much. The video will be too long. Maybe in another video or maybe during birthday, because things that are here is just things I want to use for the birthday. So if I show you guys, meaning you are going to see the theme of the birthday. So I don't want you guys to see it yet until then because it's still far. I'm going to keep this video till when it's close to the birthday before I will upload this video. So yeah. A lot of things came. A lot. I can't show you guys. Anyways. Oh, this is so cute.
She was built to feed a family with love in the recipe. Favorite thing to make is what they ask for on any given day. It's more about
Hey guys, welcome to this vlog. You guys, today is the end of November. I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but I'm just going to make this video now. We came to check a venue for Diana's birthday, although we have small problem. The date which he's supposed to be for Diana's birthday that we chose before has been occupied because we did not come to the venue on time to speak with the owners. This is on my husband. Now my husband delay reach like this. We are supposed to come last week, but we didn't come. But anyways, today is Sunday, and we just said, okay, let's come and dialogue with them, pay if possible. And now the date for Diana's birthday is occupied. You know, that period is festive period, so everybody they celebrate. Anyways, we are doing everything fast because we don't want to hear stories or run up and down. So my husband is talking with them because we have so many activities we would like to do on Diana's birthday. So yeah, they are dialoguing. Anyways, let's see what will happen if somebody will shift from that preferred date, or we ourselves we are going to shift the event. Anyways, that's what we are here for, and we are already preparing. I can't believe my baby is going to be 1 year soon. Anytime I think about it, I feel so emotional. You guys, it's my rebirth as well because 1 year ago I almost lost my life. Yes, I know when you guys are watching this video, it will be when the party is almost ready. Anyways, just know that we started early preparing for our miracle baby's birthday. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Come and talk to my vlog. You have, oh, you will have this one because I will frustrate you with my camera. What are we here for? Mhm. No,
Shift. Carry your wahala dey go there.
another year to frustrate you. Now you go marry YouTuber. Who force you?
Mother, I'm not in the mood. I'm
Oh
not in
yeah,
the
come
mood for
now. Oh
your
yeah,
joke.
tell them. Oh yeah, tell them.
Yeah,
We are here for what? Why are we here?
we came to check the venue for Diana's birthday.
Our miracle baby. Our survivor. Oh yeah, talk.
Our
Yes.
miracle baby. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Once a model is always a model. You guys, I said we can turn 360 for you guys. And do you remember this trouser I got during summer? It has started serving its purpose. So I was trying to take Diana at 10 months pictures. It's very difficult to get Diana to snap pictures lately. She doesn't stay in one place. So I just had to put her in this table and try to capture one or two moments. For over 1 week, it's been raining back to back, and there is no sun. If you wash your clothes, no sun to dry it. And you know how it is during winter. You just have to be checking the forecast if there is sun, if there is rain. So immediately we realized that it's going to be sunny. We organized going to the garden to have some fun, use our skin to collect sun because it's very, very cold this winter. So whenever we see sun, it's like gold. So we're just snacking on some snacks, and this is the garden Jasmine loves to play. It's very big and spacious. It has a lot of game activities for toddlers to play with. You guys, if you hear any sound, it's Diana. She's just like disturbing me. She doesn't want me to talk to you guys. You guys, caution your girl. Oh.
La cosa per la vita.
Così.
People came in to have lunch. You know, Italians, they love outdoor buffet whenever it's sunny. So we just had to sit in another place so as not to have them on our camera and not to intrude their privacy. As I was struggling with Diana, my husband was struggling with Jasmine. Omo, having kids and doing things outside your comfort home is not easy. The stress we undergo putting these two kids together and making them to sit in one place composed, it was not easy. Diana wants to crawl all around while Jasmine wants to be running up and down. So after we finished eating, we actually allowed them to go
She
play.
wants to scatter everything.
Smile, look at mama. Look at me.
E lo che è nei daddy.
Don't look at daddy, look at mama. Diana.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.